guys, it's Cupcake Crush here, and so you might see not a lot of videos now, cause since school and everything, I don't have enough time to make videos every day and stuff, so yeah. So I am in this random person's and I want to go talk to someone where they can say hi to the video and they'll get a shout out, whoever they are. And who's that? I'll go to their party. Well, because there's people there. And yeah, I'll say, okay. So I'm going to type something like, I'm recording. Say hi. I am mean. Say hi. Oh yeah, if you hear a violin, my sister plays violin, so yeah. Yeah. Nano say hi. Nano say hi to you guys. No one gets a shout out now. None of you guys get a shout out. None of you. None of you. None of you. So rude. Just go into my den. Just gonna sit on my couch. People are here at least. Friendshipness. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. This no. Why is all the member people? Visit. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Advance. Not to be rude, but that Animal Jam, that couch is very, very ugly. Why didn't you put it in pink? Want to make this person come to their house. I'm gonna see if any of my buddy. No one, not my buddy, wouldn't even say hi to you guys. So let's just play some. Oh, did you see that the summer carnival is here now? It's like not even summer yet. I think it's like spring or summer in Australia, or I think it's winter in Australia. Okay, I'm gonna make these people say hi. So, yes. So I'm gonna type in, say hi. I am filming. Say hi, I'm filming. Let's see if this person says hi. Please. Yay! You get shout out. You get a shout out. Oh, I spelled it very wrong. So I will give you a shout out now. Whoever says hi, you're gonna get a shout out. I don't know where the person went. So this person does not get a shout out. Sorry person. If you know who your Animal Jam looks like, that counts as a shout out, I think. I say it counts as a shout out. Oh, did you know? I think everybody knows this, but when you have cotton candy, I chose this cone, you get black, and then you get white, and then you get black again. It says yummy. And then it turns into a platinum. See that? See that platinumness? Look at how beautiful it is. Look at it. Yes. So yeah. If you didn't know that you could do that, now you know. Oh, okay, they get a shout out now. You get a shout out. Bunny Smart Jammer 511. you get a shout out and a buddy request from a YouTuber. Okay. So I'm gonna go to their den and say hi to them and say that I was filming. And like talk to them and we'll spend time to them together with all you guys and me and the person. Yay! It's late at night, so that's why I'm using a flash. You are on video. You are on. Where's the V? Vid. You are on vid. You are on vid. I'm so good at spelling. See how good I am at spelling? Oh, it's deleting. You get shout out. You get snout. You are the first. No. Wow. Seal! You're seal. Oh. No. Nope. I'll change to my regular thing. Oh, I think I passed it. Yeah. Okay. Oh, there's the person. Hi. So, yes. Okay, I'm gonna go say bye. 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 I'm still gonna go to this party. I don't know. Ooh, stuff for sale. I have fireworks. Actually, those fireworks are pretty cool. Don't judge me. I only have 53 because I spend it on tickets. I have that in a pink version, even though I'm not a member. Because I traded something for it. Yes. Like nothing. It's like, why is everything so expensive? It's probably expensive because I only have 53 gems. So yeah, let's try to get some gems. Nope, tease. Comment down below. What's your favorite game on Animal Jam? I mostly play Twister, Eat 'em Up, and yeah, Twister is my favorite because that one's easy for me. Woo. So you just have to like avoid all the little things and go through those yellow circles, but you don't always have to, because if you get hit by something that's not, oh my gosh, my stupid mouth just like froze and went over here, and then I went into the Twister. Why did that happen? I didn't know that could happen. I did not know that could happen. At least I earned 2 gems. Yay! No, I don't want to play it. I don't want to play games anymore. Let's just go here since I'm a slow. Let's go to this person's den and say, like, I'm filming. Say hi. I don't care. I have always had stuck in that. No, I can't talk today. I don't know why. What? Oh yeah, I had pizza in my hands. I forgot what was in my hands. Actually, fun fact, I'm gonna have pizza for dinner today. And I'm gonna have pizza, and I had pizza in Animal Jam. So yeah! So I guess this person is not gonna go to their den. So yeah, I like this place except when you get all money and then you have to do something after that. Like, I was playing this fashion show and I was all muddy and I got kicked out. Like at this person's den. Like this person was kind of sketchy or something. I don't know. Wasn't really sketchy though. I want more cotton candy. Yummy, 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 yummy. I'm just gonna do that one. The purple. That one. Oh, I didn't choose one. Yellow. And more purple. I promise I was closing my eyes. A pinky promise. I never break a pinky promise. If you're one of my friends, you know I never break a pinky promise. But yeah, I'll show you a den tour. So I have balloons. I have this weird bunny thing that I can hide behind. I have stuffed animals, the little mini ones, my couch, a squid, and donuts. Let's go to the little club. This is a club where no one is. Oh, except this person. You can take pictures for crazy amounts of money. It is for 50 gems just to take a photo of yourself. Oh, why? Oh, why? Why do you even do that, Animal Jam? So rude. And how do you delete that? Oh, you flip. Woo, 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 woo. Woo! We're dancing, we're dancing. Hey, Gemmers. All new crews report on Buddy Fun are due tomorrow. Share 1 through 3 paragraphs and a snap through Jammer Central. I did not know that was going to pop up, so that just popped up randomly. Yay! Okay, let's leave this place. There's no oopsies. I kicked the tripod when I put my foot up. And so now I have to fix it. Okay. And like totally the best YouTuber ever, hashtag no. Just no. No, I'm horrible. Trade me pink backpack. I don't have a pink. Oh, they have a purple sun hat. I want the purple one instead of the stupid blue one. Yeah, I hate the blue one. Because my favorite color is purple, if you didn't know that. Yeah. Oh. They don't like the blue one. Just, oh, the chair hit the tripod. I'm so professional. Like oh my goodness, that person's so sketchy. Yeah. Do you know the most boringest part of Animal Jam? It is Kimbara. Literally no one is here. Literally no one. See, and no one is here. And so my book here is almost full. I only need these 2 left. I think that's a flying squirrel or a bat. This is my favorite animal. They're just so small. They're like 12 inches tall. Just saying, my cat is meowing. And unless I put him inside, so 1 second. Yeah. Are you happy? Are you happy, cat? Yeah, I'm so professional. Keep on kicking the tripod. And there's so much sounds in my house. It's like, So yeah. I really have nothing to do now. So I'm going to close this video. So bye guys. Hope you have a nice day. Even though this is kind of late at night. Not really. It's like, this is the wrong time. It's like 7:02, but that one's like 2 minutes earlier, so it's only 7 o'clock where I live. Something else. Ooh, I think. Okay, I already have that thing. So yeah, bye yours.